Operating system. What is an operating system, OS? System, OS. Hardware to OS to application to user means we're user. In theoretically, an operating system or OS is a software program that enables the computer hardware to communicate and operate with the computer software. Without a computer operating system, a computer and software programs would be useless. How to install a new operating system on your computer. Check the system requirements. If you've decided that you want to install a new operating system, you'll first need to figure out which one you want to use. Operating systems have varying system requirements, so if you have an older computer, make sure that you can handle a newer operating system. Most Windows installations require at least 1 GB of RAM and at least 15-20 GB of hard disk space. Linux operating systems typically don't require as much space. Requirements vary depending on the distribution you choose: Ubuntu, Fedora, Mint, etc. For changing OS, you need bootable device to make bootable USB pen drive for Windows 8, 7, XP, or any Linux-based OS. Step 1. Get your desired OS in ISO format. Grab your desired operating system, OS, in ISO format. Get your favorite OS, that is Windows 8, Windows 7, Windows XP, Ubuntu or any Linux-based OS like FreeBSD, Linux Mint, PC Linux etc. in ISO format. How to download ISO file. How boot in a pen drive. How to change the OS in computer. These are we saw in next video. Thanks for watching.